Ayun, good evening. Meron tayong Toyota Hiace Grandia. Nag-install tayo ng Optimus brand Android head unit with 360 camera. So, ito yung rear camera niya. Check natin sa side camera. Passenger side. Ito yung side camera. And then, yung front camera naman, ito. Sa driver side naman na camera, ito. Dito tayo sa loob, check natin. So, ito yung Optimus brand Android head unit na upper mid-range model. 9 inches, 6128 and 2K screen resolution na siya. 360 camera, auto trigger, left signal, right signal, hazard and reverse. Okay. Ayan yung resolution or video quality ng reverse. Steering wheel control, all workings. Volume up, volume down. Next, previews mode. Okay. And then yung mode niya nag-act na to or nilagay na natin siya, inassign natin siya as shortcut button ng 360 camera para merong easy access for 360 camera. Meron din tong online and offline voice command. Itong unit na to, one of our best seller din. Merong SIM card slot and USB slot. Ayan, working yung SIM card niya ngayon and yung 360 camera recording icon, ayan sa ibabaw. Offline voice command naman, try natin. Volume up. So ayan, working. Volume down. Next track. So hindi lang nare-recognize yung boses natin kasi medyo malakas yung music. Pero working yung voice command niya. And then list of application na merong Waze, TikTok, Netflix, Google Assistant, Play Store, Maps, YouTube, and Spotify din, sound effects, ayan, fader and balance, wireless CarPlay and Android Auto, ayan, connected yung device ni sir. Wala dito yung device ni sir sa atin, pero connected yung device niya. Okay, working. Multi-gesture touch operation. Next, previews, screen off, mute, navigation. So, ayun yung function ng multi-gesture touch ng model na to. And then ito yung model na merong GPS tracker, accessible on mobile phone. So, yun lang. Ito yung Optimus brand Android head unit na mid-range model, 61289 inch and 2K screen resolution. Thank you.